Yeah, that is true.
What's up, guys? We are up and ready to go. I took a couple of Advil and drank a lot of coffee and tea. So now I am jazzed. Are you guys jazzed?
I'm jazzed.
You may or may not know, I grew up like part-time in Mexico when I was a kid. I would go back and forth from the States and Mexico with all my family living here. And yeah, so it's super exciting to be back. I think the first order for today is that we're gonna get some food, and then we might be headed out to this kind of weekend getaway for the locals. It's kind of a surprise, so I'm not gonna tell you too much, but it's gonna be dope. Little kick.
Oh yeah.
Something does that I put on it.
Yeah, I don't know. It's not the salsa.
great.
I think it's like a pepper.
Maybe it's in the, oh,
It might be in the meat.
Didn't expect how hot it would be, and now we're all kind of like in catharsis, like the post-heat catharsis, feeling fresh as a daisy.
And then there's a churro place that we're gonna be right by. It's supposed to be like the oldest
Churro place in all of Mexico.
Churro place in Mexico.
As long as there is busy, go to it. Because if it's not busy, then you're gonna get old stale churros.
Ah.
That's a good tip.
What's this place called?
El Moro.
El Moro.
Right next to the park. We got dogs, we got churros, we got parks, we got cribs.
You're going to the right spot.
Oh my god. Where have you guys taken me? Oh, just smelling butts. Life couldn't get any better.
Line of smelling butts. Line of it, yeah.
Biggest concern about it is
Dog watching done.
what time the sun sets.
And now for some churro.
Do you just leave your plate in one there?
It is done. How you guys feeling?
I feel like I was a little kid at the candy store. I got sugar belly.
Yeah.
So good. So
It's rough. I think we're gonna crash hard here soon.
Cerveza time.
Cerveza. So we're going to go to this cool place that I'm still keeping a secret from you guys. And we're gonna need some beer first.
Undisclosed, super random.
Okay, and I'm just gonna reveal the surprise to you. Now, it's called, because I just learned how to say it, and if I wait, I'll probably forget it. Xochimilco. 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 Everybody got it? Xochimilco.
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 Okay, excellent.
Nailed it.
Yeah, nailed it. Right. Alright guys, this is really happening. We're renting a whole boat for an hour, and they look pretty sweet.
This is cool.
Here we go. This is pretty rad.
Yeah.
You guys, this is absolutely amazing. Yeah, it's just one big party. People are having fun, mariachis are going, people are dancing.
Celebrating, you got people on their first dates, or I'm assuming they're on the first date,
Yeah,
all romantic.
it is like just like a whole bunch of different people coming together just to have fun. Families, kids, dogs, babies.
It's pretty awesome.
Yeah.
I'm glad we did this.
Yeah. Adios! Whoa, you guys, that was so dope. That was so sick. That was such a great time. Seriously. That was such a good, whose idea was that?
Laura.
What?
Our friend.
Okay, well, it was Laura's, and then
I was gonna take credit.
You totally gonna take. I would have gave it to you too. It was all good.
I should have gave credit to my wife. I'm not Megan.
Yeah, I might come back to you later.
I probably will.
All right, guys, got my jams on. My sexy,
AKA your
my
same
short
clothes
shorts,
as regular.
the same clothes I wear all the time. Yeah, pretty much.
I don't have my pants on.
I don't even have Jam Jams.
Yeah, we don't.
I wear regular clothes that I haven't worn outside yet. That I will eventually wear outside.
She's
I'll
gonna wear
typically wear the
jeans.
same on rotation every day. So you'll see the same clothes every day for the next 3 weeks.
Yep.
For pajamas.
I'll probably wear these like leggings to bed today and like change my shirt. What happens when you live out of a suitcase?
Yeah, pretty much.
I'm gonna wear a dress to bed.
I don't know, what are we doing? We're doing computer stuff,
I don't know,
yeah?
we got Netflix, we gotta get
You wanna put
tacos
Netflix
later.
on?
Yeah, put Netflix on, Scott.
Holy shit.
Movie. Yeah.
All right, guys, I think the rest of the night we're just gonna watch some Rick and Morty. Megan's over there gonna turn it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn it up.
Turn it up. So, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys tomorrow for the next adventure. And remember,
Noches, pendejos.